Hello guys, welcome to another video on Healthy Talkie YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about enlarged prostate treatment, ways to rectify the problem. Before we get started with the video, check the link in the description box below to discover the secret formula we recommend if you want to be free from enlarged prostate. Quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value from it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Men over 60 often need treatment for an enlarged prostate, which affects almost half of all men around the world. Men with an enlarged prostate need to have the enlarged parts taken out. The problem can be fixed by taking out the part of the gland that has grown and is pressing on the urethra tube and leaving the rest of the gland alone. There are many ways to treat an enlarged prostate, but when it comes time to choose one, you need to know what those ways are and pick the one that makes you feel the most comfortable. The goal of this article is to give you an idea of the different kinds of surgery that can be used to treat an enlarged prostate. Transurethral surgery. This kind of surgery does not need to make any cuts on the outside. After giving anesthesia, the doctor puts a tool through the urethra to reach the prostate glands. Transurethral resection of the prostate. This is the most common method, and it is used on about 90% of all prostate glands. A tool called a resectoscope is put through the penis as part of this procedure. At the end of this resectoscope is a loop that helps remove the enlarged tissue. The urologist will then be able to see the bladder and remove any extra tissue. At the end of the operation, these pieces of tissue are moved to the bladder and flushed out. Doctors like this method because it is easy on the body and takes little time to heal from. This tool is 12 inches long and has a half-inch diameter. It has a light value for controlling the amount of water used for irrigation and an electrical loop. About 90 minutes can pass during this process. Transurethral incision of the prostate. This method isn't usually used. Instead of taking out the swollen tissue, cuts are made in the neck of the bladder to widen the urethra tube. Most of the time, these cuts are made where the urethra connects to the bladder and prostate. Transurethral laser incision of the prostate. In this method, a laser light beam is sent into the urethra. This melts the tissue of the enlarged prostate glands. Some ways to treat an enlarged prostate are those that have been mentioned. If the prostate glands are very big, the doctor may want to do an open surgery instead of a laparoscopy. If you have signs of an enlarged prostate, you should see a urologist as soon as possible to avoid more serious problems. RX statement. Communication straight to the patient. Cooled thermotherapy (TM) can only be bought with a prescription. Not everyone can benefit from this therapy. Talk to your doctor about cooled thermotherapy to find out if it is right for you. Most medical treatments can have unwanted effects. Possible side effects of cooled thermotherapy include blood in the urine, clots in the urine, painful or hard urination, thickened bladder muscle, rectal irritation, temporary inability to control urination, short-term inability to get or keep an erection, and inability to release sperm during orgasm. Men who want to have more children should think about these side effects before deciding to get cooled thermotherapy. There is a small chance that the urethra could become too tight and need more help. Patients may feel pain or anxiety during the procedure, which may require them to take painkillers or sleep aids. Patients may have to wear a catheter for 2 to 5 days after the treatment. If you have tried all these tips and still suffering from enlarged prostate, then check out the secret formula we recommend. This is an all-natural supplement that you can use to achieve your desired results and be free. It is easy to take, very effective, and highly recommended. Learn more about our secret formula from the link below this video in the description box and find out how it can help you to get rid of enlarged prostate. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. The videos on your screen right now are also educative and informative, so make sure you watch them too. Live a healthy life, stay strong.